MG, what gone? You good?
What about me, G?
Sorry, I did sir.
You know, some day I do some strain out some water for go drink, you see me? Yeah man, like when I mix the water, I mix some pipe water with some spring water, so I try strain out the water to make it different, you see me? So I got really good again.
You know, some wants about something, though, Dad.
Yeah. You want to ask me for something? Make sure it's not in the water, you beg me. You know?
No, man,
Sure.
brother, I don't want any water. The fuck that? Brother, I don't want any water. Oh, yeah, man can really come beg your water. I don't want any water. Ease yourself now.
Oh no man, just make sure it's not in the water, you beg me. You can't say, it doesn't matter where you want from. Talk right now, where you want from.
You know, say, different city, me never want to come to your city, say, but different city, you know, say.
Brother, talk where you want, no dog. The busy boy that tell me where you want.
You know, say, different city, so me water, me and beg you.
Some of my water. I sold water, you know. I sold water, you
Give me
can't.
said, you still want it. Give me said. No, no, give me said, give me said.
Yes people, big up on yourself, you know what's better boss. Me asking if you just leave a like on the video, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to share the video to your friend, you see me? If you want to see more video, leave some comment on what you want to see. Make me know what is what. Big up on yourself, share the video for me. I'm out.